Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I would like to share a vintage recipe with you for mini cheesecakes. I have been making this recipe since the 1970s. It is very easy to make. It only has a few ingredients. And what's nice about it is that you can add any kind of topping to it that you like. Today I am making mini pumpkin cheesecakes for Halloween. The ingredients that I need are 12 vanilla wafers, 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese softened, a half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, 12 baking cups. For the topping, I'm using 2 cups of fresh pumpkin, which I seasoned with 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of cloves, half a teaspoon of honey. You can also use canned pumpkin. I have a large mixing bowl and I'm going to add in my 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, my vanilla, and my sugar. And then what I have to do, I just have to beat this till it's well mixed with my electric mixer. And I'm going to do it on low first and then I'll put it on high. Now I'm going to scrape down the sides to get everything mixed well. Now everything has been incorporated well, so now I'm going to add my 2 eggs. And now I will continue to beat this again. I'm scraping down the sides again to make sure I get everything mixed in well. The noise you hear is my oven. I'm preheating it to 325 degrees. And it's all done now. The cheesecake part is all done. The next thing I did was take my 12-cup muffin pan and put my baking cups in each one. And next I have to take my vanilla wafers, which I can't believe how much they shrunk the vanilla wafers. Years ago, the vanilla wafers would cover the whole bottom of the baking cup. So, and I see in the stores they have mini vanilla wafers, so I'm wondering what's the size of the mini. They must be the size of a nickel or maybe even a dime. But I'm going to put these little ones in now. But as you see, they don't fill up the whole bottom. So you just stick 1 in each cup. Each one has a vanilla wafer in the baking cups. So now I'm going to take my cheesecake mixture and I'm going to put it on top of the vanilla wafer. You can see how easy it is to make this recipe. It's very simple. The baking cups are all filled now, So now this is going to be placed in a 325 degree oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, the mini cheesecakes are all done. Now I have to let them cool. After they're cooled, I have to put them in the refrigerator for 2 hours before I can put the topping on. It's been 2 hours and the mini cheesecakes are all ready to have their topping to be put on. And as you can see, they do sink a little, but that's fine because once the topping goes on, it's good. It'll be good. Now I'm just going to smooth the topping on, the pumpkin topping. Trying to do it neat. Now I'm using pumpkin because I'm making these for Halloween, but you can use any type of topping that you like. You could use strawberry, you could use a blueberry topping, you could use cherry, even pineapple. And I've already made these and have done a variety of toppings. And they look so nice and they look so colorful. So these look nice and they're all done. Except now I'm ready to do decorating the top. I'm using the semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then I'm using the mini chocolate chips, the semi-sweet chocolate chips. So now I'm gonna start to make little faces. So I want these to look like little pumpkins. So I'm gonna put them in. I'm going to put them in sideways. And then I'm going to use the tiny ones for the mouth. I did my 2 faces on 2 of the pumpkins. So now I'm going to continue on. Now they're all finished. They look very cute. And I'm sure Grandpa will enjoy tasting one of these. I want to show you my adorable Halloween plate that I found at Home Goods. Look at it. It has a black cat just like my grand cat Boo, and it even has his name on it. So before I put my mini pumpkin cheesecakes on it, I thought I'd like to show you this plate. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. First, I gotta get my cheesecake out.
Looks good. Looks good, Grandpa.
Nice and creamy. The pumpkin really tastes good with the spices, the cinnamon and the ginger and the vanilla wafer on the bottom. Really came out good, Ma.
Glad you like it, Pa, because I know you like cheesecake. So I knew these mini cheesecakes would be a real treat for you.
That was good.
I know, you could eat probably about half of them, right, Grandpa?
You're right. Happy Halloween, everyone.
We want to wish everyone a happy Halloween.